Avocados are widely known for their creamy texture and incredible health benefits, but did you know that the leaves of the avocado tree have their own powerful medicinal properties? Today, we're diving deep into the health benefits of avocado leaves, how you can use them, and why you might want to include them in your wellness routine. Make sure to watch till the end, because some of these benefits may surprise you. First, let's talk about what makes avocado leaves so special. They are packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, polyphenols, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. These compounds give avocado leaves their incredible health-boosting properties. But what exactly can they do for your body? Let's find out. One of the most well-known uses of avocado leaves is improving digestion. They contain powerful compounds that help reduce bloating, relieve gas, and soothe stomach discomfort. Many people use avocado leaf tea as a natural remedy for indigestion and even ulcers. Simply steeping a few dried leaves in hot water can create a soothing drink for your gut. If you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or muscle soreness, avocado leaves might be the natural remedy you need. These leaves contain anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce swelling and pain. Drinking avocado leaf tea or even using the leaves as a warm compress can provide relief. This makes it a fantastic alternative to over-the-counter painkillers. Did you know avocado leaves can help regulate blood sugar levels? Studies have shown that they contain compounds that support insulin function, making them beneficial for people managing diabetes or blood sugar imbalances. Drinking avocado leaf tea regularly may help keep your glucose levels in check. Another amazing benefit of avocado leaves is their ability to support heart health. These leaves have natural compounds that help reduce bad cholesterol, lower blood pressure, and improve circulation. If you're looking for a heart-friendly herbal remedy, this might be it. If you often suffer from colds, coughs, or respiratory issues, avocado leaves might help. Their antibacterial and expectorant properties make them great for clearing mucus and soothing the respiratory tract. You can use avocado leaf steam inhalation or drink the tea for relief. Now, how can you safely use avocado leaves? The most common way is making tea. Simply take 3 to 5 dried avocado leaves, boil them in water for about 10 minutes, and enjoy. However, moderation is key. Pregnant women and those with certain health conditions should consult a doctor before using avocado leaves regularly. Avocado leaves are not just beneficial for internal health, they can also be great for your skin. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of avocado leaves can help reduce acne, soothe irritated skin, and promote a healthy complexion. You can make a simple avocado leaf face mask by grinding fresh leaves and mixing them with a bit of water to form a paste. Apply this to your face, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel refreshed and rejuvenated. If you're looking to shed some pounds, avocado leaves might be able to help. The compounds in avocado leaves can boost your metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Drinking avocado leaf tea regularly, combined with a healthy diet and exercise, can support your weight loss journey. Just remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss, but incorporating natural remedies like avocado leaves can be a helpful addition to your routine. Keeping your immune system strong is crucial, especially during cold and flu season. Avocado leaves contain compounds that can help boost your immune system and protect your body against infections. Drinking avocado leaf tea or using the leaves in your cooking can provide an extra layer of defense. It's a simple and natural way to support your overall health and well-being. Detoxifying your body can help you feel more energized and improve your overall health. Avocado leaves have natural detoxifying properties that can help cleanse your liver and kidneys. Drinking avocado leaf tea can aid in flushing out toxins and promoting better organ function. It's a gentle and effective way to support your body's natural detox processes. Incorporating avocado leaf tea into your daily routine can be a simple, yet powerful step toward a healthier, more vibrant you. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress is more important than ever. Avocado leaves can help you relax and unwind. The soothing properties of avocado leaves can calm your mind and reduce stress levels. Drinking a cup of avocado leaf tea in the evening can be a great way to wind down after a long day. It's a natural and effective way to promote relaxation and improve your mental well-being. So there you have it, some incredible health benefits of avocado leaves. From digestion support to heart health, these leaves offer a range of medicinal uses. If you've never considered trying avocado leaf tea before, Now might be the perfect time. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used avocado leaves and what your experience was. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.